Hi friends, in this video, let us see the best way to format a pivot table report in Excel. This is the data on which we would be generating a pivot table report now. In a new sheet, insert a pivot table by selecting our data range. Then drag the region, department and product in the rows section and drag the sales and revenue into the value section. And this is how the basic default pivot table report will look like. Now copy this and move this pivot table to the right side so that we can compare the newly formatted report. Now let us do the formatting for this pivot. First thing that we need to do is rename the row headers. Here I will change the row labels header to region and will change sum of sales to sales and sum of revenue to revenue. Now at this moment our report will look like this a little bit better. Now let us remove the plus and minus buttons which are used for expand and collapse. For this we need to go to Pivot Table Analyze tab and then click on plus and minus buttons to remove. And next step would be defining the sort order in which you want to arrange the values. You may apply for any column based on your requirement. Next is changing the design from compact to a tabular format. Go to Design tab of Pivot and click on Report Layout and select the Show in Tabular Format and then remove subtotals. If you want to remove the subtotals for department fields, select any department cell in the report and uncheck the subtotal department. This report is looking a bit cleaner now. If you want to remove the bold font values in the columns, just go to Design tab and uncheck the row headers. This is looking much better now. Let us now make it bit compact by adding the outline format. Right click in the first column and select Field Settings. Go to Layout and Print tab. Select the option Show Item Labels in Outline Form and then select the first option under this Display Labels from the next field in the same column, Compact Form. Now the updated report will look like this. And then finally, you may add colors to your pivot by going to the Design tab and then applying different styles as per your wish and save it. So your final pivot table report should be looking like this in a better format when compared with the default one like on the right side. So friends, this is all about the best format for a pivot table report in Excel. If you like this video, make sure